Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll see a short demo on how to create a restore script with move on T-SQL. This is very useful on databases with multiple files. If we still have access to the database, we can query a system catalog view called sysfiles. We're going to do just that for corporate data underscore east1. So you can see on the screen, I have my logical name and physical name corresponding to the database, which means I can use logical names, physical names to complete my restore. Just copy them to their respective sections. I'll do it now. These are for logical names. And this is for the file and physical path. Of course, you can change the location on the file name if you need to do so. And there you go. Here's the script ready. But what if your database has multiple files, as it happens to be on Stack Overflow 2010, which is a converted database that I have on my server? You need to do a different approach because this database has 15 files and 15 logical names. Let me just show you. I'm going to query it like so and show you. It will be very tedious and very lengthy to do the copy and paste for all of these 15 files and 15 logical names. That's why I have this script right here, which is already formatted to create the move. Creates the move and creates the to. So let's run the script. Just like that, I can copy this whole section here, paste it, and my restore is completed. Just like the previous one, I can change file names, file path, location, and all that. The only thing I cannot change is the logical name. If all you have is a backup file, you can still make your restore script. We need to execute restore file list only, pointing to the backup file, as you can see here. There you go. You have your logical names and your physical names. You can also copy that information too. Okay, logical names. There you go. And the physical names too. This works okay if it's a small restore like this one. But again, what if we have a backup that has a lot of files? Same situation. The only thing is I cannot do a select into the backup file itself. What I need to do is a different approach. In this case, I need to create a temporary table, so you can see here. And this information for the table that I need to create came from the Microsoft website where they explain the restore file list only. They give me the names of the columns, column type, length, and all of that. So let's proceed and create our temporary table for the purpose. Done. And now I have to do an insert into the temporary table using the restore file list only. Once I do that, I can query that temporary table with a move and to commands. Select all that, copy, and I can paste it on my restore script. Again, just like before, I can change path, file names, and all that. I cannot change logical names here. And this will finalize the video. Would you like to hire me for your SQL questions and solutions? You can contact me on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. To download a copy of the script used in this and other videos, please visit my repository on GitHub. Please like and subscribe. You can also leave a comment or message if you wish to do so. Thank you for watching.